Hey guys, welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Clash of Clans stuck at loading screen. So let us firstly check if it will start and work for me in my case. Alright, continue. So for some people it just doesn't open up, I guess, and gets stuck on this loading screen. In my case it seems to be working. Yeah, it's all good. So anyway guys, how do you fix this? So you long press Clash of Clans, go to app info, and then you just force stop it, and then you go to storage, and in here clear cache, like this. And also guys, if clearing cache didn't help, press on clear storage, so this will log you out of your account and pretty much turn the game into its default mode. And you will be able to log in, and hopefully then it will work. So these are the common fixes. Also guys, make sure to set the permissions. So for example, it uses the camera. In here you just go to all permissions and make sure that the permissions are not prohibited to use. Alright, this is important. So stuff like storage permissions and stuff like that. And then you can go into the Play Store and then just uninstall the game like this and then install it back. So often reinstallation helps, so hopefully this will get you fixed. Enjoy guys, this is how I fixed my game from not loading. Hopefully this helps you. If it did, like and subscribe, and see you next time.